welcome to Balance Your Life with Yoga for Beginners. I'm Dashima. I created this video for people who are new to yoga, who have heard of the benefits and are interested in exploring deeper. This is not only a physical exercise and stretching video. Perhaps you have heard that yoga and meditation can help you to relax, to release some stress from your life, help you to sleep better, make you more flexible, strengthen your body, or any one of the infinite benefits that yoga has to offer. Whatever your reason for coming to yoga, I'm just so proud of you for taking the time for yourself, to give yourself this gift of self-love and attention. The poses, or asanas, in this DVD are designed to strengthen and tone your muscles and your core specifically, increase your flexibility, and improve the overall balance in your mind, body, spirit, and emotions. My prayer for you is that you would finish this session feeling relaxed and pleasantly energized, with an open heart and mind, proud of your accomplishment, and excited about the future. The DVDs in the future will be progressively more challenging, so as you master this one, you will continue to evolve in all areas. I wish you a life of joy and the deepest feelings of love in your heart as you progress along on your path. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.